Looking to keep your home spotless without breaking a sweat? The best household vacuum cleaner combines powerful suction, smart features, and ease of use. Designed for modern living, it makes cleaning quicker, more efficient, and surprisingly effortless every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Brushroll Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Brushroll Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for households that need a powerful, versatile, and pet-friendly cleaning solution. One of its most impressive features is the self-cleaning brush roll, engineered specifically to handle more pet hair pickup without the hassle of tangled bristles. This ensures smoother cleaning sessions and less maintenance compared to traditional vacuum cleaners. With a strong 1200-watt motor and a standard 120-volt power requirement, this vacuum delivers consistent performance whether you're tackling carpets, hardwood floors, or upholstery. The lift-away functionality is a true game-changer, allowing users to detach the pod for cleaning under furniture or switch to above-floor cleaning with ease. This makes it extremely convenient for tackling stairs, curtains, and tight corners. Equipped with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, it effectively traps dust and allergens, making it a great choice for families with allergy sufferers. Pet owners will especially appreciate the Pet Crevice tool, which is designed to remove embedded hair from hard-to-reach spots such as between couch cushions or along baseboards. Additionally, the swivel steering ensures that you can glide around furniture and navigate tricky areas without difficulty. The included upholstery tool adds even more flexibility, making it ideal for cleaning delicate fabrics, lampshades, and even walls. Overall, the Shark Brushroll Vacuum Cleaner provides a perfect balance of power, convenience, and versatility. Number 2. Shark Neutralizer Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Neutralizer Vacuum Cleaner sets itself apart as a powerhouse in home cleaning, offering ultra-powerful suction that surpasses most competitors. Designed for households that struggle with pet hair and everyday messes, this vacuum boasts the best hair pickup of any Shark model. Its DuoClean PowerFins Hair Pro system is particularly impressive, featuring 2 brush rolls that work in tandem to dig deep into carpets, engage directly with hard floors, and lift away dirt, debris, and stubborn pet hair in a single pass. The odor neutralizer technology is another standout feature, ensuring that unpleasant smells don't linger inside the vacuum, leaving your home fresher after every cleaning session. Its self-cleaning brush roll eliminates the frustration of tangled hair, making it a fantastic option for pet owners. For added convenience, the powered lift-away feature allows you to detach the pod for motorized cleaning under furniture or to use the nozzle for above-floor areas like shelves, drapes, and stairs. Allergy-conscious users will appreciate the anti-allergen complete seal combined with a HEPA filter, which traps 99.9% of dust and microscopic allergens inside the vacuum based on ASTF F1977 testing. This ensures cleaner indoor air and reduces allergen exposure, a must-have for families with pets or allergy sufferers. The vacuum's design prioritizes user convenience with smooth maneuverability, efficient attachments, and advanced sealing technology. Whether you're dealing with thick carpets, hardwood floors, or upholstery, this model delivers consistent cleaning performance across surfaces. Number 3. Bissell 300-Watt Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell 300-watt vacuum cleaner is a thoughtful blend of powerful performance, cordless convenience, and social responsibility. Notably, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets, a feature that appeals strongly to animal lovers. In terms of performance, this vacuum stands out with a motor that is 60% more powerful than the Shark iX141, giving it a competitive edge in suction strength and efficiency. Designed for cordless use, it comes with a 24V max lithium-ion battery that offers up to 40 minutes of runtime, allowing users to move freely throughout the home without the limitation of outlets or tangled cords. The removable battery design also provides flexibility to charge separately or swap with a spare. The deep cleaning fur brush attachment is tailored for pet owners, delivering excellent hair pickup on upholstery, stairs, and even in cars, ensuring that pet messes are no longer a challenge. With 3 cleaning modes, users can adjust power and performance according to the cleaning task, from quick touch-ups to deep cleaning sessions. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around the home, while the cordless feature adds convenience for multi-room cleaning. Ideal for busy households, the Bissell 300-watt vacuum combines functionality with an eco-conscious mission. Whether you need to clean pet fur-off furniture, tackle high-traffic areas, or manage everyday dust and debris, this model ensures reliable performance. Number 4. Miele Turbo Vacuum Cleaner. The Miele Turbo Vacuum Cleaner is a premium option for those who prioritize German engineering, reliability, and a high standard of cleanliness. This bagged canister vacuum is ideally suited for homes with a mix of hard floors and low to medium pile carpets, delivering powerful suction and long-lasting durability. One of its strongest features is the ability to switch between 6 different suction power settings, allowing for precise control depending on the type of surface being cleaned. This ensures optimal performance whether you're vacuuming delicate rugs, hardwood floors, or heavier carpeted areas. Its maximum maneuverability makes it easy to move around and under furniture, while the compact design keeps it practical for everyday use. The Air Clean system sets this vacuum apart, featuring a unique 3-tiered filtration system composed of a genuine Miele filter bag, a motor protection filter, and an Air Clean exhaust filter. This system ensures that the air in your home is actually cleaner after vacuuming, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or households focused on maintaining superior air quality. Included accessories such as the TurboTech floor head, parquet floor head, dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool provide versatility for tackling every corner of your home, from curtains and shelves to floors and furniture. Miele's reputation for durability means this vacuum is built to last, making it an investment piece rather than a short-term purchase. Number 5. Shark Bordeaux Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Bordeaux Vacuum Cleaner combines power, convenience, and thoughtful design into a feature-rich model perfect for households with pets and diverse cleaning needs. Its standout feature is the 2-in-1 powered lift-away technology, which allows you to detach the pod and deep clean hard-to-reach areas under furniture, while keeping the powered brush roll spinning for maximum effectiveness. This makes it especially useful for multi-surface homes where flexibility is essential. The advanced swivel steering ensures smooth maneuverability, letting you easily navigate around corners, furniture, and tight spaces. Equipped with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, it traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it a reliable option for allergy-sensitive households. The large-capacity 0.88-quart dust cup allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying, enhancing efficiency. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.